tongue scraping is just the start. Ayurveda's forgotten oral health wisdom.
Welcome back to our next episode on Wellness Podcast. Today we will be talking about a topic that is very overlooked and is considered very simple, but it is very important. Now let's ask Dr. Sandeep, how important is oral hygiene in Ayurveda?
Oral hygiene is foundational in Ayurveda. We don't see the mouth as a separate from the rest of the body. It's a very start of digestive system. What happens in the mouth affects digestion, immunity, skin, even your thoughts. So that's why ancient texts recommend a full oral care ritual every morning. It's not just about brushing your teeth.
Let's start with the scraping of your tongue. What is the logic behind it?
Nice question. So while we sleep, our body detoxifies. A layer of the waste that builds up on the tongue, which Ayurveda calls as ama or toxins. So this scraping the tongue removes this layer, which it in turn stimulates the digestive system and prevents the reabsorption of those toxins. It also awakens taste buds and helps regulate the appetite.
So it's not just fresh breath?
So no, not at all. In fact, the tongue can reveal a lot. It's like a mirror of your inner health. A white coating often means your digestion is weak. A dry or a cracked tongue may point out you have dehydration or vitamin deficiency. So we use a tongue diagnosis daily in Ayurveda to understand a personal overall condition.
Fascinating. So I have heard recently a lot about oil pulling. So what do you think about that?
Yes, oil pulling or swishing oil in your mouth is a powerful tool. It draws out deep-seated toxins from the gums, cheeks, jaws, and even your sinuses. So when done consistently, it strengthens the gum, improves the jaw flexibility, freshens the breath, and even support mental clarity. So I've had patients who reversed chronic gum bleeding and even mouth ulcers just with this daily oil pulling.
So are certain oils better than the others?
So traditionally sesame oil is considered the best because it's warming and penetrative, but coconut oil can also be used for people who have too much of heat, also inflammation. It's important to swish gently and don't strain your jaw as well.
Good point. So what else do you think we should consider in the morning oral care routine?
So herbal chewing sticks, a gentle massage with fingers or herbal powders, and even gargling with warm water or herbal decoctions. These are all good for this, and it also stimulates the mouth, even the throat and sinuses. So some of our patients even report improved voice quality and reduced snoring also with this.
So this practice affects the whole head and neck system?
Yes, so when the mouth is clean, digestion is stronger and the senses are sharper, and even mental clarity improves. So that's why these practices are part of our daily detox in Ayurveda, and it's just not a hygiene routine.
What would you recommend for someone just starting out?
My simple idea is start simple, scrape your tongue every morning, try oil pulling with a teaspoon of sesame oil or even coconut oil, at least 5 minutes. Massage your gums once or twice a week. Avoid commercial mouthwashes. They're often too harsh for the oral cavity. So these small acts build up a very powerful benefits over time.
I love how practical all this is. Could you just share us your final thoughts?
So don't underestimate your mouth. It's where the nourishment begins. Treat it as a sacred gateway, and you'll see the results in digestion, immunity, and even mental energy.